Is this for real this time, this sell-off?
Certainly feels like it. Look, when we look at our world, at VIX, at correlation, at dispersion, so far it's been relatively orderly, but there's only so many times you can say that as we go 1, 2, 3 standard deviations off in terms of drawdown. There is going to be a period where I think it's going to be panic at the disco. We haven't gotten there yet, but as these levels climb, there will be unwinds and more uncertainty that triggers even more.
There was a lot of talk here about some of the technical levels being breached and the idea that that might actually bring some buyers back into this market. We've pretty much tested the 100-day on everything, the 200-day now in play on the S&P. Is that going to be potentially some level of support for this market?
I will tell you anecdotally, I keep asking if anyone is buying the dip from people who could potentially buy the dip, and they haven't been buying the dip. So they want to know if anyone else is. And my question there is, when you look at kind of historically where you see that buy the dip or you see that FOMO and momentum, it's usually in those call option wings. You're not seeing people step in there yet. Even historically retail, which tends to lead that, we have not seen that yet. But again, we haven't seen this mass panic flight to hedges. We've seen very orderly hedges.
You mentioned panic at the disco. What are the markers of panic at the disco?
I think from where we are here, so obviously VIX has spiked, and we've seen a rise in correlation into the 30s. Historically, when you think about Volmageddon, when you think about the global financial crisis, when you think about August 5th, these indicators, they can go into the 80s. So it feels substantial, and it is when you look at it on a year-on-year basis. But when you look past a history 5, 10 years out, these indicators can go substantially higher than we are now, Scarlett.